Welcome back to the next tutorial on waterproofing detailing as used within the functionalities of the layers in Adobe PDF. On the previous video, you will have learned how to use the functionality of layers. These future videos, we're looking to not only increase your knowledge in this, but build and enhance your know-how of the waterproofing interfaces to the key drawings. So, the first example we have is a section through a basement, a familiar detail that many of you might be used to seeing and understanding where key membrane positions would go. However, we're going to talk through a typical system. Let's assume we have a grade 1A or a grade 1B basement, which typically might need just one form of waterproofing. We would default to looking at waterproof concrete for this interface. The Hydrocrete watertight concrete is a layer we can turn on, in conjunction with the Semflex VB and Hydrostock BR water bars being turned on in the correct locations for the construction joints. As you can see on the right hand side, we have a key. This product key is very important for you to be able to identify which products go in the correct locations throughout the drawing. In the instance, we have a grade 2 or a grade 3 basement in accordance with BS 8102 2022. We'd look to have two forms of protection. Let's assume we need a pre-applied membrane solution to the outside of the basement. The MaxiProof Plus would be the correct layer to turn on here. As you can see, once the layer is turned on, you may be familiar with the typical location and positioning of this membrane. But a normal challenge can be understanding the interface between a secant or a contiguous pile and the capping beam. Here you can see the cementitious coating, the HydroSeal FX, as per the key on the right hand side, being applied to the top of the pile head. Also the interface of the twin seal compound GR being used to seal around the perimeter of the pile and also to connect the pre-applied membrane to the underside of the capping beam detail. These are typical interfaces that can be challenging for you as a specifier to understand exactly how the detail is interfaced. Moving over to the key, you will see the twin seal GR. We've identified clearly the thickness being 3mm. This is something that's very key to make sure it is noted on the drawings, as it's a specific requirement for our product. Let's take another scenario. Assuming this site is within an area needing gas protection, a waterproof membrane alone is not sufficient. Therefore, we can turn off the MaxiProof Plus layer and turn on the Combi Seal, which is a combined gas and waterproof membrane. As you will see, the positioning of the membranes remains the same. However, the system products will change, and the interface at the capping beam between the capping beam and the secant or contiguous pile will have a different product coating. Again, automatically updating through the layer functionality within the key, you'll see the product changes and how that should be incorporated within your drawings. We trust this has been helpful, and we'll see you back next time where we look at the pile cap detailing and understanding the key functionalities for that detail. Thank you.